Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we're in Fountain View RV Resort in North Fort Myers. I got this listing that my wife got and I want to show you. Okay. Let me tell you a little bit about Fountain View RV Resort. It has tennis courts, pickleball, heated pool, and a nice recreation area for everybody that lives here. So it's pretty nice. Listing my wife got is 1986. Has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. If you're looking to spend your winter months, this would be perfect. A lot of people that live here, that's what they do. They have their property here and they come during the winter. Then I don't know if you can see far over there, you can see all the cars that are all wrapped around. Summerized actually, not a winterized like you guys have, summerized. And when they come next year, they just take the covers off and they're home. So if you're looking for a home, this could be it. One of the catches, you have to be 55 plus. It's a 55 plus community, okay? Another thing, if you want to know the price, just go on the link on the description below and you get the full report of it. The reason why I do this is because I just want you guys to have your most current information. In case it goes pending or sells and the video is still running around, you could actually press that link and it will tell you how much it sold for, or it tells you if it's still available, if it's active, and it'll tell you, the price, the current price or the active price. If the price went up or went down, everything's there. So that's why I love to put just the full report on a link below. So if you would like to know, just hit that link and you get the full report of the property, okay? So let's continue. Over here, when you walk in, you come in this living room. Okay, and then we stand over here. See it? Okay, now once you walk straight over here, this is the master bedroom. Okay, let me stand over here so you visualize it. Have a closet there. Let's keep going. Over here you got a beautiful bay window there, and let me stand over here so you can see the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen has all stainless steel appliances, as you can see. Very spacious. Okay, let's keep going. Over here is the bathroom. There's a shower. It's a walk-in shower. And over here is the second bedroom. It's all the way on the back. You have another bay window. Let me stand over here so you can visualize the size. And then over here, you got a washer and like a little storage room here. You got 2 closets there. It's just like a little storage room, okay? And a door to go out the back. Let's go back to the kitchen. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.